Good morning. It's great to see such a full room here today. I think we're at standing room only, so thanks everybody for making a strong start to our day. It is really wonderful to be here in Melbourne hosting our Atmosphere event because Melbourne is home to our newest Google office in Australia. Melbourne is not just our cultural capital of Australia, it's also got pride of place in our nation's history of innovation. It was Melbourne where the CSIRO was born, originally as the Advisory Council of Science and Industry. And it was Melbourne where one of the world's greatest medical advances was born or designed, the cochlear implant. Melbourne is also home to some other great innovation, things like the black box flight recorder, as well as our trusty drill. Melbourne can also lay proud claim to the creation of some of my family's favourite Aussie icons, Vegemite, as well as, I wouldn't say my family, but definitely for others, the Ute. And down the road in Geelong, I would definitely say that the inspiration came from, but there was also the design of the first commercially viable ice-making machine and refrigerator. And it was also in Melbourne that the first frozen, there's a bit of a theme here, isn't there? The first frozen in vitro fertilisation baby was born. As a birthplace for innovation, Australia also holds a special place for Google because it's Australia where Google Maps was developed. And it's Australia, in fact, in our Sydney office, where our largest group of Google Maps developers works today. Innovation arises from a desire to solve problems. And at Google, we want to solve big problems right across people's lives. We want to do it at scale, and we want to do it for everyone. In Google Enterprise, we are really focused on partnering with and enabling enterprises, organisations, governments, and education institutions who are looking to adopt new technologies as a way of embracing digital transformation so that they may thrive in an environment of increasing competition, disruption, and innovation that is impacting every single industry and every single company. The future of great Australian enterprise innovation lies in our collective ability to embrace those new technologies, to transform, to innovate, and to scale quickly. And that's where Google Enterprise can help. And so today is a little bit about showcasing what that could look like. So here's our agenda for today. We're going to focus on three major themes for today: smart, modern, secure. Smart, innovative products on a modern platform designed at the core on the world's most secure infrastructure. Now, these themes are crucial for any enterprise who are looking to embrace and innovate by embracing cloud platforms. So you'll be hearing directly from some of our customers who've already embraced cloud platforms about what it means to them as leaders, to their employees, and to their businesses as a whole. You'll also hear from a number of our Googlers, so both local and international technical product experts and sales engineering leaders. And we're really just so excited that we've got Kai Kawasaki here, who's going to talk to us and present to you on the art of enterprise innovation. We're also going to be showcasing 6 of our great customers. So we've got Canva, PwC, Xero, Visy Industries, Salmat, and the Digital Transformation Office. There'll be some opportunities a little bit later on to be interactive and to ask some questions, as well as some live feedback via using some of our technology, but we'll give you a bit more on that later on. Now, at Google, we are a little bit obsessed with our food. You got a bit of a taste this morning. We believe food fuels our innovation, so there will be a brunch, a networking brunch, about halfway through the proceedings. Smart, modern, secure. Let's just think about those 3 words for a moment and set up a bit of frame of reference for the day, if you like. Now, at Google, we believe innovation doesn't need a license, it needs a leader, and that leader is you. Google Enterprise Innovation embraces smart technology built on a modern infrastructure platform for modern workforces, all designed to secure your data, company, employees, your profits, and your long-term success. Now, I'm sure all of you are sitting here today and you've got at least one smartphone, if not in your hand, in your pocket or your bag. Maybe some of you are wearing a smart watch. Probably many of you have a smart TV at home, or maybe you've even networked your home as a smart home, or you're driving a smart car. We really love this smart technology in our personal lives. We love it because it's connected, it's simple, intuitive, user-friendly. But it's time that we brought smart technology to the enterprise. And this can be achieved through the power of cloud-based machine learning. And it's this smart that's built into the very core of Google Enterprise, into our Google Enterprise offerings. This is the smart that underpins the innovation that you realise both in our platform and in our products. Now, if we reflect on some of the disruptive and innovation advances that have been positive disruptions in our history, each new age of disruptive innovation has brought about a kind of revolution of sorts. Think about steam and water, which enabled mechanical production. Then what about mass production in the Industrial Revolution, brought about by the innovation of electricity? Then, in our more recent times, the information technology age, brought about by the innovation of automation. Researchers and thought leaders have declared a fourth revolution, a digital age of artificial intelligence, machine learning, or advanced automation. I spoke about solving big problems. Now, over the past 16 years, Google has built the underlying technology infrastructure that lay the foundation for this transformation, this next wave, this fourth revolution. We built data centres, we built data analytics as we index the world's information many times over and continue to do so, and make it easy for everybody to access. And through that, we built tremendous expertise and capacity for innovation. And we're now bringing that to bear on what the enterprise wants and needs. Modern productivity tools that are real when it comes to real time, enabling your business to move, create, build faster together when you need it. Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, Slides, through to BigQuery, Vision API, TensorFlow, and a bucket list of other incredibly powerful cloud-based platform tools. Google Enterprise is leading the digital transformation and helping millions of other businesses do the same. You saw some videos earlier. Think about companies like Spotify, Snapchat, Uber. What about some of our local technology heroes here, Atlassian, Xero? What have they all got in common? They're innovators. They've maximised the opportunities of digital transformation and grown so rapidly that they've grown into real global behemoths within just a few short years of even being dreamed up. They dared to be audacious. So how do you achieve this? Well, potentially, today could be the start. It's a bit about what today's about. So it's really around understanding how transformative technology, innovative platforms could fit into your plans. How could we partner with you to maximise the opportunities of digital transformation for your business? All enterprises find themselves at the forefront of this revolution. And underpinning this is a massive, massive shift, a disruptive move from an era of individual productivity and on-premise data silos to cloud-based storage, shared access and data that is merged and analysed in milliseconds from many sources all at once in real time. That's collective intelligence. And the extremely large resulting data sets that come from this allow us to use data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning to get insights that we never even dreamed possible. At its very core, cloud-based computing that enables not only this intelligence, but enables access from anywhere, from any device, through modern interfaces, search, assist, collaboration, shared productivity, through to speech and image recognition. This is just such an exciting time for companies to take the leap to understand and adopt these new technologies, or risk being disrupted by those that do. It's now risky not to take risks. And together, we really want to partner with you, with our partners, to really help you make smart moves into the cloud.